Hi loves, kung may pinagdadaanan ka at naghahanap ka ng rason para iiyak ang lahat, this video is for you. Here are some of the most heartbreaking movies that you can watch this 2023. On top of this list, we have an A24 film, After Sun. Yung kwento ng After Sun, it's about a father and daughter who went on a vacation in an exclusive resort in Turkey. Throughout their trip, the dad was obviously going through something, but is doing his best to pretend that everything is okay in front of his daughter. If you're someone that grew up in a broken family, or dysfunctional yung relationship mo with your parent, you will feel the pain in this movie. Another A24 film that broke my heart is The Whale. Kwento to ng isang morbidly obese na tatay who wants to reconnect with his estranged daughter. Pinangakuan niya yung anak niya na bibigyan niya ng pera in exchange of spending time with him. At dahil English professor nga siya, he promised to rewrite one of her essays para lang samahan siya ng anak niya. Sobrang nakakalungkot nung kwento kung paano siya napunta sa ganong kamiserableng sitwasyon. He weighed 600 pounds, hindi na siya makahinga ng maayos, hindi na siya makatayo. He was very helpless. Pero kahit gano'n na yung kalagayan niya, he wanted to make things right for his daughter. As in, this is one of the saddest films na napanood ko noong 2022. And of course, we have Close. Wala akong kakilalang nanood nito na hindi natapos nang hindi umiiyak. It's a story of two young boys na mag-best friend. Their relationship was so close. They knew almost everything about each other. It seemed as if they are each other's other half. But things went south when one of them became increasingly conscious of what people perceive of them, to a point where he started to disassociate. At syempre, sobrang nasaktan yung isa. Patunay itong film na to na sobrang toxic talaga ng prejudice sa society. Lastly, we have the psychological thriller Alice Darling. It's about a young woman who's struggling to free herself from an abusive relationship. Oo, hindi siya sinasaktan physically ng boyfriend niya, pero grabe ang psychological at emotional abuse na pinagdaanan niya. Sobrang nakakalungkot that she was placed in a situation where she's not free to decide for herself. I think a lot of people who are in toxic relationships or yung kaka-break lang from a toxic ex will certainly feel yung heaviness ng film na to. Those are some of my favorite tearjerkers. I hope you feel better soon, loves.